Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 25th of November 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on the day 1 of trading in Nifty December future and Bank Nifty December future. So I have slight fever and cough, so don't mind if I sound low or little here and there. So please adjust with me, but I'm still making this video because I want to stay dedicated and consistent on YouTube as much as I can, all right, because I want to complete the target of posting 1000 videos on 1000 trading sessions day. All right, so whatever's happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view, and all the content is only for the for the education purpose. All right, now let us start first with Nifty December future. Okay, so the previous closing here was at 18,626, while the open was at 18,631. The low was at 18,581. Then high was created at 18,666.68. And now let's go to the chart on Nifty December future and then see how that has performed on a 3 minutes time frame. So quickly loading, and there we are. Cool. So as we had discussed in the yesterday's video or the previous video, that the market may go to the upwards, and it did go up. It just stayed in a range, but it went to the down. It stayed in a range, and we may expect the up move to be continued on Monday itself. Okay, so now the market opened around this point, went up to 18,650, and then came back down here, and after coming to 18,610, the market started to fall to the bottom of 18,590, and then the market moved in a sideways range, and completely the entire day was at the sideways range itself. It did not move to the higher side much, it did not move to the lower side much, and we can clearly see that this is the range which we have created in Nifty and Bank Nifty. It is like going up and down, and it is close to the resistance, and it is taken a support over here at approximately 1154, but the market is closer to this range, and we may expect the market to open gap up on Monday, and our first target here would be 18,736 for sure, because we can see that clearly how the market is moving and what will happen on Monday. All right, now let us move to Bank Nifty December future. The previous closing here was at 43,238. The open was at 43,339. The low was at 43,140, while the high was at 43,566. Okay, if we come back to the Nifty December future again on a 3 minutes time frame, we will shift it to 3 minutes. Yeah, so I'll reset to 3 minutes, and then the market opened around here. The Nifty is like in bearish category, bearish zone, we can say. The market may move anytime down. Okay, so the market opened 9:15. Yeah, so the market opened on this candle. The market opened, went down till 43,303, and then the market moved up to 43,333, and then moved up till here. Our first target was 43,600, and then the market moved up until 560, which is not a problem. We may see that coming on the Monday, which is 28th of November. But what is the thing, the Bank Nifty is trading near the 200-day moving average. December future, I'll repeat again, the December future is trading near the 200-day moving average. So we may see a slight weakness over here, or it may take a strongest support in over here and then open somewhere around 43,500 ish level or about that, and then we may see a rally to be continued for the day. And the market has stayed in Bank Nifty, the market has kept falling from 10:30 till 11:45 or 12, and after post 12 it stayed in a kind of a range up until the closing of the market, and it has managed to close at 43,270. all right, so that's all from my side today. Thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all on Monday's episode of Aftermarket Hours Report. All right, thank you and good night. Wishing you a happiest weekend. Enjoy.